Guys, this morning I was scrolling through social media and I just saw the video of Christian Van Koenigsegg, the CEO of Keonigsegg, in his car heading to the airport, and I was like, bro, he's about to cook. And guess what happened? Mark record has been smashed. Like, didn't they just break the 0 to 400 record like last month? Like, they smashed in 12.79 seconds and the whole internet went crazy, you know? Electric power taking over, right? Then bro, today, guess what happened? Keonigsegg just show up with the Jesco Absolute. They didn't even build a new car. That same Jesco Absolute twin turbo V8 just dropped a software update and boom, 25.29 seconds new world record has been set. Yeah, like that's over a half second faster in a race that lasts less than 26 seconds. And guess what? Remark already planning for revenge, because I saw the video of Mr. Mace Remark today congratulating Keonigsegg and also talking about the comeback. So I can't wait to see this, because like, oh my god, this is a war. This is a war of speed and it's getting crazy, and I'm here for it. Who you got on, Keonigsegg or Remark? Baba an tashi kaina. Gane fa bidiyon da na muku a baya akan Remark Nevera ta fa kowace mota yanzu gudu a duniya 0 to 400 a irin 25.79 seconds ba su suka da motar sabuwar da suka kira. To yanzu shine ko ne sai ƙara dawa da wannan Jesco Absolute din da ita din dai ba su mata wani abu, wannan twin turbo V8 wannan anya ba tsafi suke ba, shi din dai suka da wannan sai ƙara kare record din da 6 da sakan 6 aka dai. Kai ya salamu lahi, baba ana kira anan wannan yaki ne na gudu kawai ake yin sa. Ba matsala, za mu jira mu gani. Kai jama'a.
Wat je wat het